Welcome guys, so today I am with the Xiaomi POCO M5s and I'm gonna show you a few camera tips and tricks. Okay, so let's start from the photo mode where we can find few hidden options. The first, we can use the volume buttons to take photo with the 2 seconds delay. It works the same for the volume up and down, and when you click and hold, you are going to record short video up to 15 seconds. Next, you can change the brightness level of the preview by tapping on the screen once and moving this sound icon. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. Next, when you focus on the zoom, you can go for the ultra wide lens, and also the telephoto lens. But also, you can click and hold already selected preset and enable 6x, 8 and the 10x. You can also zoom in and zoom out with the slider. And you are also able to pinch the screen with your 2 fingers to use the zoom feature. So you can decide how to make it. When you click and hold your shutter, you are also going to record short video like with the volume buttons. When you click in this place, you can enable other options, and one of the most useful is to use the time burst. So the first, I can recommend you to tap on this little icon of the little arrow of the icon, and here you can choose how many photos you want to take. So let's set, for example, 10 photos and the delay between each photo. So I would like to take 10 photos in 10 seconds. So let's set 1 second and then just click on the shutter, and right now the phone will take automatically 10 photos with this small delay 1 second. It will be useful for you when you, for example, put your phone on the stand and you cannot reach the manual shutter, and the photo will take, the phone will take photos automatically, so you don't have to use any gestures or something like that. We can also add the manual shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds, and we can go for the settings where we can find other useful options, like for example we can switch functions of the volume buttons, so we can use them as a shutter. We can zoom in. Okay, wait a minute, it looks like it's not working right now, but I just changed it. Okay, zoom is right here. So when you click volume up right now and volume down, we can zoom in and zoom out with the buttons. Go right here, go for the settings. Here you can tap on the button and click to take the photo. We can also scroll down and we can simply turn off the shutter sound. When you go for the video mode, we can enable the filters right here. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature. We can go for the normal mode, and we can also adjust here the brightness level. When you go for the more modes, we can find, for example, the 64 megapixel mode, and this mode allows us to get more details on the photo. Let me show you how it looks. And right now I'm gonna take the same photo but without this mode. So yeah, there it is. The normal mode and the 64 megapixel mode. As you can see right here, we can find definitely more details. And we can zoom in also closer. So yeah, that was all tricks and tips that you can use on the POCO M5s. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.